it's Alan Archer from Northeastern University, and we're making some traditional Thanksgiving items that we're going to be serving here in the dining facility on Thanksgiving. Now, this is an easy thing that you can make at home if you're not here. It's a cranberry orange sauce, which is really typical for this time of year. Of course, we're going to make a whole berry cranberry sauce instead of that jelly stuff you get in the can. All right, we're going to start making this sauce. It's very easy. You can make it at home in a matter of no time. And we're going to start with some fresh squeezed orange juice. Now, we can take the orange juice from the oranges that we're going to use. I'm going to show you how to do that in a minute. Now, we're going to add the orange juice, and some recipes say to add water, but it's cranberry sauce, so why don't we add cranberry juice? You need to add a little bit of liquid to get the cranberries cooking. Now, it's up to you whether you add orange juice or cranberry juice. We're going to add some orange juice because it's a cranberry orange sauce. So we're going to put the whole fresh cranberries in. We're going to add some sugar to that recipe. We're going to get it going. What we're going to watch for is the cranberries are going to start popping in a little bit, and the liquid's going to reduce. Cranberries, of course, have their own pectin, so it's going to thicken the cranberry sauce as it goes. What we're going to do is we're going to add a little bit of the orange zest using a microplane, which you can find at any store. We're going to scrape the microplane just a little bit, and it takes off a very fine zest just off the outer part of the orange, not getting into the pith, which is a little bit bitter. Now, the orange itself has all the essential oils of the orange. Another tip would be make sure that you not only wash your oranges ahead of time, but scrub them with a little green scrubby, because more often than not, the oranges are coated with a small bit of paraffin wax to protect them during shipping, which is healthy and you can eat it. But whenever you're dealing with oranges or fruit like that, we want to take off some of that wax. So we want to take some of that orange zest. Now, if you notice that this orange zest is a different color orange, there's a reason for that. It's because we are using blood oranges. Blood oranges are always in season at this time of year, so it's a great orange to use if you can find them. Gently cook it down a little bit, and the cranberries are going to start to burst. The liquid's going to reduce. So now I want you to start looking for the cranberries as they burst their skins. And the cranberry sauce is usually done when about half of the berries have burst their skins and released their pectin. But we can take a quick look at our berries. The berries are starting to pop. We can turn the heat down to simmer. What we're looking for is a sauce kind of like this right here. You can see that what I did is I not only juiced the oranges, I put in some orange segments. It's a very simple sauce. Cranberries and oranges are both available at this time of year. That's why they always go together very well. And that's it. It's a pretty simple recipe. Come on down, have some Thanksgiving dinner, have some extra cranberry sauce.